students, welcome back to science class. I hope everybody is fine at home and enjoying online class. Are you enjoying online class? Yes, because you are so good students and you are serious about your study. So we have already started the revision. Two chapters we have already revised. What that? Lesson first and lesson 7. So today we are going to revise lesson 9. So what is lesson 9? Lesson 9 is soil. What is lesson 9 is soil. Okay. So in this I will give you a revision, exercise revision, but I have uploaded one video related to soil. So you can watch it. It is an animated video. So you can watch it. That will enhance your knowledge. Okay. So let us begin a revision without wasting time. So what is that? Let us see here. First is fill in the blanks. This is revision. What is it? A revision. A revision. This is revision. What revision? GST revision. Which class it is? Class. Which class it is? You might be knowing class 3rd. Not second one. You are in class 3rd. Okay. So let us begin a revision. Yes. So first is fill in the blanks. What is? First is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A. In this, so first is fill in the blanks. So dear students, what is first question? First question is, does soil is found in desert? So what type of soil is found in desert? Sandy soil is found in desert. What is first is desert. Which type of soil is found in desert? Sandy soil. Second, what is that? Does soil can hold enough water and enough air for plants? So which type of soil can hold? Loamy soil. Which soil? Loamy soil can hold. Loamy soil can hold enough water and for. Third is humus. Third is what is? Dust is the remains of plants and animals present in the soil. Dust is the remains of plants and animals present in soil. So what is that? Humus. What is that? Humus. Humus. Fourth is what? Fourth is this. Plants mostly grow in the dust. Plants mostly grow in the dust. So where do plants grow? Plants grow in topsoil. So what we will write? Topsoil. Topsoil. Next is, I think last here, protecting soil from erosion is called conservation. What is that? Conservation. What is that? Conservation. 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 Okay. So in first what we have here? In first we have desert, second loamy, third humus, fourth topsoil, and fifth conservation. Next question, let us see here. Take the right answer. So in this question B, in that take the right answer. What is take the right answer? Take the right and correct answer. Here. Okay. So let us see what is first question. First question is a mixture of sand, clay and humus. A mixture of sand, clay and humus. So what is that? That is, what is that? That is loamy soil. First loamy. Second question here, soil is formed by the breaking of. Soil is formed by the breaking of rocks, minerals and sand. So soil is formed by the breaking of rocks. What is that? By the breaking of rocks. Third is this. The soft and dark layer of the soil in which plants grow is the soft and dark layer of the soil in which plant grow is topsoil. What is that? That is topsoil. That is topsoil. Fourth is this: wearing away of soil by a wind, rain and running water is called wearing away of soil by a wind, rain and water is called soil erosion. It's called soil erosion. What is that? Soil erosion. That is soil erosion. Fifth is what is fifth? Farmers make the soil fertile by adding. Farmers make the soil fertile by adding what? Air, water and manure. So what do they add? They add what is? They add what? Manure. By adding manure, they make the soil fertile. They make the soil fertile. Okay? Here. So we revised what? We revised this question. Fill in the blanks and tick the right answer. So last is of this is what is that? Match the following. Match the following. So in match the following, let us see. Match the following. Match the following. Match the following. Okay. So let us see. What is that? Sand. First is sand. So with this sand and so it will match. Used to make glass. Used to make glass. Make glass. Okay. Is it visible? Yes. Second is what is second? Second is clay. So you have played with clay. Yes. Many times you have played. Used to make twice and pottery. Used to make twice pottery. Twice pottery, etc. Okay, is it visible? So if not visible, I will write upside here. Don't worry about this here. So let me write. Okay, dear students. So in our cell, you can contact to me that, and third is here. Third is loam. What is loam? So loam is used best for plant. Loam is best for plant growth. For plant growth. Okay, dear. Understood this? Best for plant growth. So you can see here. Next is what is? That is name the following. In name the following, D is name the following. For different kinds of soil. So what are first is different kinds of soil? Loamy soil, loamy, sandy and clay soil. Loamy, sandy and clay. Second is what is? Different layers of soil. Topsoil, subsoil, topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Bedrock. And last is some animals that make their homes in the soil. So what is that? Animals make snake, rat, worms, and some insects. Okay. So today we have revised this. Next we will revise next lesson. and please don't forget to watch next portion of this chapter. I have added one animated video, so please watch that also. That will enhance your knowledge. I want to enhance your knowledge. Okay, student, thank you so much. Hello, dear students, and welcome back to science class. Today we are going to revise lesson 9. So what is lesson 9? Lesson 9 is soil. What is that? That is soil. Okay. So we shall define what is soil. Soil is the uppermost layer of earth crust in which plants grow. Soil is uppermost layer of earth crust in which plants grow. What are the different types of soil? So there are many types of soil. Mostly we will discuss some sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. Soil has many layers, and at the topsoil, subsoil and bedrock, and different types of soil are used in different ways. Earth is only planet on which life exists. So here we will discuss about earth also. This is earth. Earth is only planet where life exists. Necessary elements for life: air, water, sunlight. Soil means what things needed: air, water, sunlight and soil. Importance of soil. Let us see what is the importance of soil. Soil is very important. In soil plants grow, and plants give us oxygen. Soil is homes for many animals. It's like a snake lives in hole. House means kacha house is also made from mud with soil. What is soil? Now question is, what is soil? How is it formed? Okay, so soil is very important for us. It is useful for us in many ways. Okay, like making buildings, and let us see how does it formed. So it is formed by the breaking of big rocks and other things, and when so here you can see that when rains that also break the soil rocks and other things, and this affects break the big rocks into simpler parts, and that convert into soil. You can see here clearly that big one is being converted into smaller one, and at last they are converting into soil. So many agents are there, like that heat, sun, air, etc. They affect it, and by that soil is formed. So students, I hope you thought it how is soil formed. Different agents are there, they help to form soil. Okay, so let us see here what is happening here. It is raining, and this also affect the soil. Means it affect the stones and others, and that help in formation of soil. So soil at a place means different places have different colored soil. It depends nature means conditions of the place. So soils of all the places are not same. They are different in different places. They are different color in different places. It depends the environment, what type of environment is there. Okay. So we seen it here. And after that you will see soil is being affected by the other living beings also, like animals and others.
grazing animals and other animals, so they affect the nature of soil. So some soil are good for growing crops, but some soils are not good for growing crops. There are the layer of soil: topsoil, subsoil, maybe bedrock and bedrock. So mostly there are three layers of soil. Okay. So here we have seen the layers of soil: topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Okay children. So you have already seen it. So mostly in topsoil plants grow, it is rich in humus. Subsoil, second, it is particles are bigger. Weathered rock or rock particles are biggest in the layer of soil. So these are the layers of soil. Okay, and soil here it is a mixer. Soil is a mixer, and other part we say soil has different layers in that plants grow.